Good morning, students. In the last chapter, you learned about the need for a house and how a house keeps us safe from many things. Today, you are going to learn about a very important topic, that is, how to take care of yourselves in the lesson Safety in the House. Children, you have seen that a house keeps us safe from many things. Even then, we can get hurt in the house. There can be accidents if we are not careful. So, children, how do accidents occur? Accidents occur when we are careless. Accidents occur when we are careless. So, we must be careful to avoid them. Now, let us see some of the accidents that can happen in the house. We can fall and hurt ourselves in the house if we are not careful. We can even cut ourselves with sharp objects like knife, scissor, blade, etc. if we play with it. We can burn our skin if we touch hot objects. We can also get an electric shock if we touch any plug points or electrical things with wet hands. These accidents occur because of our carelessness. To avoid getting hurt, we must remember some simple rules and follow them very carefully. In order to avoid a fall, children, you must not leave your toys or other things on the floor. Someone can trip over them and fall down. Do not spill water on the floor. If any water is spilled on the floor, you must at once wipe it. You or any other person can slip and fall. Please do not run up and down the stairs or push anyone while you are playing. Now, children, to avoid getting cuts, do not play with knives or scissors. Can you say why, children? Because if you play with knives or scissors, you can cut your finger. Use a sharpener to sharpen your pencil. Now, to avoid getting burnt, do not play with matchboxes. You can cause a fire, especially when your parents are not at home. Do not play with fire. Keep away from gas stoves or boiling water. If your parents are cooking in the kitchen, you must not trouble or disturb them. Children, to avoid getting electric shocks, do not use wet hands to turn the switches on or off, or do not touch any plug points or electrical things. You might get a shock. So, children, be very careful. We can be safe when we are careful. We can follow safety rules to avoid getting hurt. Now we shall go to the chapter Safety in the House. A house keeps us safe from many things. Even then, we can get hurt in the house. There can be accidents if we are not careful. Some of these accidents are as follows. We can fall and hurt ourselves. Children, you can see in this picture, we can fall and get ourselves hurt. We can cut ourselves with sharp objects. See this picture here. We can cut ourselves with sharp objects like the knife. We can burn our skin. We can burn our skin. We can get an electric shock. We can get an electric shock if we touch the plug. These accidents occur because of our carelessness. To avoid getting hurt, we must remember some simple rules. Now, to avoid a fall, do not leave toys or other things on the floor. Someone can trip over them and fall down. Do not spill water on the floor. You can slip and fall. Do not run up and down stairs or push anyone. To avoid cuts, do not play with knives or scissors. Use a sharpener to sharpen pencils. To avoid burns, do not play with matchboxes. You can cause a fire. Keep away from gas stoves and boiling water. To avoid electric shocks, do not use wet hands to turn switches on or off. Do not touch any plug points or electrical things. We are safe when we are careful. We can follow safety rules to avoid getting hurt. Now children, look at the pictures and put a cross on the ones that may cause accidents. Now the first picture, the girl is playing with the scissor. Can this cause an accident? Yes, so we have to put a cross on this picture. The children in the next picture are playing. Can this cause an accident? No. The boy is running on the stairs and he is falling down. Can this cause an accident? Yes, so we shall put a cross. Now the child is touching the hot pan on the gas. Can this cause an accident? Yes, so we shall put a cross. Here the child is playing with his toys and has left all the toys on the floor. Can this cause an accident? Yes, put a wrong cross. Here they have spilled water on the floor and they have not wiped the floor. Can this cause an accident? Can anyone slip on it? Yes, so it will be wrong. Now circle the things that can cause injuries. Injuries means that can cause hurt. Can a blade cause hurt? Yes. Can a ball cause you hurt? No. A pencil? No. A skateboard? Yes. It can cause accidents if you don't take care. Can chalks cause you accident? No. Can the water spilled on the floor cause accident? Yes, children. Can a knife cause accident? Yes. So the ones which are circle can cause injuries to it. So children, you must take proper care in the house. So we finish with the chapter Safety in the House. Thank you children.